Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my WebClonerAI video review. Making us $395.34 daily with zero work without ever creating anything, without templates, without writing content, without paid ads, no tech skills needed, no experience required, no hidden fees, no BS. Let AI hijack any website, sales page and funnel for you within seconds. Just enter the URL of the site you want to hijack and it's yours. You don't need to install any template. Let AI build your email list from any website you hijack. First to market, advanced, AI website creation technology. Free domain for you and your clients for every website you hijack, 100% lifetime fast and reliable web hosting for your websites. Built for non-tech-minded entrepreneurs and marketers. All websites are pre-filled with smoking hot content. Built-in free traffic generator with SEO optimization for good ranking. Built-in AI copywriter to improve any existing content. Advanced drag and drop elements to further optimize your page. Add CTAs, opt-in forms, exit pop-ups and more to websites you hijack. Premium 24 hours live customer support. No hidden or extra fees. Ever. Thousands of happy users, 99.99% uptime guaranteed, 30 days money-back guarantee. You're just 3 clicks away from hijacking websites that will quickly skyrocket your profits. Step 1. Enter URL. Enter the URL of the website you want to hijack and your preferred domain name you want the hijacked website to be on. Step 2. AI hijack. Let our AI technology hijack the website and rebrand it for you. Step 3. Profit. Each time we hijack a website, we get payments like this. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.